And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. I do have sure all you metalworking buffs know what these are, shrinker and stretcher. I picked these up at Harbor Freight because I couldn't afford a $1,000 pair. And one of my projects going to be in the future is to make a stand for these. I don't even think I made a video for this thing. I got this before I made the video, but I made a little metal plate here, which I'm going to probably use make a pin for. And the reason why I got a metal plate for it is because when I want to use them, and I do use these, I have in fact in the past, I just got to go like this. Watch. Of course, let me tighten up the thing here. What I do is I just put them on here like this, and when I need them, crank on them, and ta-da! It's easy to. But what I would like to do is in the future, I'm going to put make a sleeve on here and weld it on so I can just lock it in here and put a little screw on the back so I can lock it in. My other thing was to make what are those things on an anvil called? The little hole, the hardy hole. I was thinking of making a square hardy hole on my bench, and I do have bar stock I want to put on here and weld it on here. Weld it on the bottom and make a hardy hole for my bench, because I don't use these very often, but I noticed in blacksmithing hardy holes are really awesome for, what do you call it, they're excellent for when you want to pop tools in and use them occasionally, and I figure these are excellent for using with a hardy hole, because I use them when I need them, but when I really don't have the space to have a dedicated stand. I mean, I'm gonna build one anyway, and that's what I plan on doing with them. I was messing around with them, making, where is it? Where did it go? Oh yeah, I was playing around with doing this. See, I was playing around with the shrinker stretcher thing, making it smaller. Mind you, I'm not the ultimate panel beater, but it worked. I made a pretty good thing on it. I'm going to continue playing around with this. And I don't know where my other thing is, but these little buggers come in pretty handy. I think I paid like 79 bucks for the pair. They were on special at Harbor Freight. So, yeah. I'll make another video of it when I decide to temporarily attach to my bench. Anyway, follow the finger and follow the bouncing ball, and thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. I need a little ball bouncing there. Anyway, have a good one.